Hi, in this quick video we will talk about the new last utterance built-in variable available in VoiceFlow. On this simple chat assistant demo, we want to capture feedbacks from the user, asking for ranking using numbers and emojis, but we also want the user to be able to speak freely and capture this in a free-form way. This is one of the cases where the built-in last utterance variable can help. Available in Voice and Chat Assistant, this variable will be automatically updated with the last captured user's utterance, allowing us to save that information to a Google Sheet, an external database, or using an API, for example. Here, in the Open Feedback input part of our Chat Assistant project, we use a button step with only a no-match path to capture the user's raw utterance. Right after that button step, we are using a set step to save the last utterance variable value and keep track of it in a variable of our choice. We can then use that feedback variable to populate our database with the user's feedback. That's one of the ways you can use the built-in last utterance variable in your Voice and Chat Assistant project in VoiceFlow. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.